What's up boys and girls, welcome to Hitman Frank Gaming channel. I'm Rajesh, I'm a game designer. I upload videos every week related to games, game design and gadgets related to games. If you're interested in these kind of videos, consider subscribing to my channel and click on the bell icon to get a notification about my new videos. Today I'm going to introduce a new mic using which you can improve your audio quality of your YouTube video from this to this. The mic is Maono AU A04. Currently the voice which you're hearing is from this mic only. Let's quickly unbox this product. On the side you can check the features. You have a USB cable 2.0 and on the right you can check the 30 Hz to 16 kHz frequency response. It's a 24-bit sampling rate. You'll get a 2.5 meter USB cable and the polar pattern is cardioid. Now let's open the box. You have a foam padding. Actually it got flattened by the card box, but it's okay. We can use this as a windscreen on the mic, and you also have a user manual and a pop filter. Now contents out of the box. As this is a microphone kit, you get all these accessories along with the mic as a package. You will get a swing arm. You can use this to get the mic closer to your mouth. It has two hinge points, one at the tip and one in the middle. The build quality is also really good. Even the springs are sturdy, and it has two swivel rotating points. You also get a Type B USB cable. It is of good quality and have a magnetic ring on it. Now let's get this mic out of this cover. The mic feels heavy and it is made out of metal, as well as the grill is made out of metal. The shock mount comes with a thumb screw and a swivel point, which is really good for accurate mic direction. It's really easy to insert your mic into shock mount. Now let's keep it aside. You also get a desk mount of good quality. You can unscrew it and attach to any type of desk. It also have a rubber padding for better grip. The foam padding is of medium quality. You can't expect much out of this budget mic. You also get a pop filter which has a double layer cloth, and the build quality is okayish. And those are all the contents in the box. And this is how the mic setup would look like, and it took me only 5 minutes to set this up. Now let's start reviewing this mic. Right now you can see I'm only using a pop filter and a mic. I didn't use the foam padding. As you can see, I am not able to look into the camera and speak into the mic because this is a condenser mic. I have to directly speak into it. That's when the quality is really good. Now let's test this pop filter. I'll try to blow air into this and see how the sound comes out. Actually that is of pretty decent quality. As you can see, I can't hear any of those breaking sounds. I'll put back the foam. Okay. Now this is how the raw input of the mic sounds like. Hello, hello, hello. And I'll show the cardioid pattern. Hello, 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 hello. I'm speaking on the back of the mic. Hello, 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 hello. As you can see, this is a pretty decent quality of the mic. Now let's do a silence test. This is how the mic sounds when it's silence. I turned off my fan and reduced the laptop's fan speed as well. Here it goes. Okay. Actually you can hear there is some kind of noise in the background. Now let's do some kind of typing test. I'm just typing on the keypad. Let's see how that sounds. So overall this mic is really fantastic. especially for YouTubers, podcasters, and even for entry-level musicians and singers. This is a really good mic. I did a lot of research before getting this mic. This is a USB condenser mic. Before this, I also bought two more mics. One is A04, which is a regular generic China made mic, and the other one is a Maono dynamic mic, which is A04. I'll clearly explain what is the difference between dynamic and condenser mic. So condenser mics like this are really very sensitive. They have a wider range of frequency response. Because of that, it can pick all the minute details in the sound with very good accuracy. That's the reason why these kind of mics are generally used in studios by singers or musicians. But dynamic mics are generally used for stage purpose, where it only picks the sound of the speaker or the singer, because dynamic mics have very narrow frequency response. These are not good at getting all the minute details in the sound, but these are really good if you have a very noisy environment, like a stage have a lot of crowd around it. So the reason why I went for a USB condenser mic instead of a dynamic XLR mic, because with a USB mic you can directly plug and play. XLR mics require a mixer. Without a mixer, they don't get enough power, so they sound really dumb or really bad. So the mixers, or at least even the phantom power, are really expensive. They cost around 4K or 5K, but USB mics are generally cheaper. I bought this for around 3K, but the actual price was 6K. So I hope this information helps you in deciding which mic to go for, whether it should be a dynamic or condenser mic. I put a lot of effort in making this video. If you feel this video helped you, leave a like, share, and subscribe for more unboxing videos like this. I'm your game guru. Happy gaming.